Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm Swency and I create videos on DIYs, creative, makeup essentials, product reviews and a lot more. So if you have interest in any of these, then do consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Moving on with today's video is going to be this simple look which I created using just 3 makeup products. Yes, you heard it right, just 3 makeup products, and this is a quite simple look which you can wear on your day-to-day basis while going to work or maybe during college days. So yes, and it was pretty much exciting when I created this look. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay guys, so to begin with, I'm going to use here the concealer. This is the first step I do after I apply the primer and after prepping my skin. So the first thing which I do is apply the concealer, and I find this method very useful for me, at least, because whenever I go for work I really can't do a lot of makeup, and so this is the trick which I use a little bit of concealer, and this concealer is almost over. This is a Swiss Beauty Pro concealer. So yes, and so I'm going to use it under my eyes and all the areas whichever need a little more attention. So here I go. And also the concealer, as we all know, it helps you to hide or conceal your dark spots, I would say, and this is one of the best concealer I ever got. So here I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. Make sure your blender is soaked in water just before you apply it, so that you get a clear base to your skin and a flawless base actually. So I'm quickly going to dab it, and once I'm done with it, I'm going to proceed further with the next step. So as you can see, I'm quickly dabbing it, and we are almost done dabbing it. So we are going to move on with the next step, which is using the foundation. Now when it comes to foundation, the only foundation which I love and which I prefer the most is the Insight Ultra Thin Foundation, because I think that I got a perfect shade in it, and my shade is Sunbeat 03. So this is something which I love the most. And coming to the application is very smooth of this foundation, and it just gives you a natural base actually. So here I go, and again I'm going to apply it and quickly going to blend it with the same blender. Also, this foundation is like almost over, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it in the future. So here I go. Let me just blend it with the same blender which I've used before, and so yeah, let's blend it. Here we go. This foundation is almost available on Amazon and on all the sites. Nykaa, I had ordered it from Nykaa, and I think I have already given a review video on that. I just love it. So moving on, we are quickly going to do our eyebrows. Now when I come to eyebrows, it is again the Swiss Beauty gel eyeliner, eyebrow and gel eyeliner, which is 2-in-1 actually. So I'm quickly going to do my eyebrows. It has a small mirror from which I can see clearly like how much I need to fill in my eyebrows, and it's a beautiful small little bottle actually, which comes in 2 forms. There is a gel eyeliner also underneath. So first I'm going to do my eyebrows, and then later on I'm going to move on with the gel eyeliner. So here we go. I think eyebrows are like very important part of your entire facial feature, and it does enhances your look when you do it properly. So let's get started with it. Once we are done with the eyebrows, now it's time to apply my lipstick. So I'm going to quickly add my lipstick on my lips. I love this shade, and this is again from the Swiss Beauty Matte collection. This is like under rupees 200. If you're looking something, then this is the one you need to purchase. The link I'm going to give in the description box. You can go and check that out. So moving on, the next step here is the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend it with my fingers only. So let's get started with it. Now since I'm done with this, the last step I'm going to use here is the eyeliner. So I'm quickly done with the eyeliner, and here I go. So this is my final look. So this is quite simple and affordable look, that too under rupees 500. You can easily create it when going for work, also during your college hours, but make sure you use a little lighter eyeshadow. Also, if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel and do like it, do hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.